lot of people are making money on social media through AI, and on this video, I'll be showing you 5 AIs that can help you earn money through content creation. Before we get into this video, I want you guys to know that this channel is all about helping you make money online, and if that's what you're interested in, hit that subscribe button and let's grow together. The first AI for today's video, we have ChatGPT. A lot of us can testify that ChatGPT has been very relevant for a very long time now. Like personally, I use ChatGPT for most of my script writing. I use ChatGPT for most of my script writing and brainstorming. Listen, guys, I've tried Meta AI. I'm not comparing, but I can tell you based on my experience that ChatGPT is really good in writing scripts. ChatGPT is really good if you need an AI to brainstorm with. The video you're watching right now, the entire script was written by ChatGPT, and most of the things that I am going to say here I have already brainstormed with ChatGPT. I think ChatGPT is really good if you want to get into content creation and you want to earn money on social media. Secondly, we have the Leonardo AI. This AI is good in generating thumbnails. For you to, you need to have a good thumbnail to make your video to be clickable, to attract viewers to your video. Leonardo AI is one AI that I've used that I can recommend to you guys when it comes to thumbnail creation. It is really good in creating high resolution images, and I can tell you this because I have used it myself. Every AI that I'm going to mention on this video, I have used myself, and I know what works and I know what does not work. So I can tell you that Leonardo AI is good in creating high resolution images, in creating good perfect thumbnails. You just have to tell the AI, describe, put your prompts, whatever you want, and it will deliver that to you. Thirdly, we have the ElevenLabs AI. For most of you guys that do narrator videos, you do videos where you need voiceovers, dubbed videos, you need ElevenLabs. There are other AIs that are good in generating voiceovers, but I can tell you because I have used ElevenLabs AI myself. ElevenLabs, they have really good voice characters, really good settings that can take your voiceovers to another level. ElevenLabs is the perfect AI for voiceovers. The fourth for this video, we have the Suno AI. Perfect AI for generating songs, backtrack, instrumentals for your video. There are a lot of copyrights on YouTube when it comes to music, where you use a song that is not yours. Many of you might have copyright from YouTube because you're using a song or a sound that you do not have the license to. Suno AI can easily generate music for you. The background music you're hearing on this video, I can tell you it's completely generated by Suno AI, and you can hear how good it sounds. All you have to do is just describe to Suno AI the kind of song you want. You don't need to put lyrics. If you can also put lyrics if you're doing the kind of video that I do. You don't need lyrics, you just need the instrumental. So you can describe the kind of instrumental you need. I have a kids YouTube channel which the songs that are there are created completely by Suno AI, and because of that I can tell you that Suno AI is really good when it comes to music generation. Lastly, for this video, we have the CapCut AI. Many of us might not know how to edit so much, like the pros, the professionals, and that's where CapCut AI comes in, because it will help you edit your videos on another level. Some things that you might not be able to do, CapCut AI will do it for you, just like generation of captions. Now, if you have a 10-minute long video, a 20-minute long video, it's going to be a lot of work sitting down there and writing down the captions yourself. Now, CapCut AI does that for you. You don't have to stress. All you have to do is just tell it what to do, and it does the work for you. You can also edit your videos, depend on what you are prompted it to do, and that's how easy CapCut AI works. Every of these AIs that I've mentioned on this video, they have premium versions. They have their pro versions, they have the free version, and they have the pro version. So most of them, you might get to a point where you've exhausted your free limit, and all you just have to pay for the pro version to get on with it. And I will advise you to pay for that pro version, because the service you're going to get on the pro version would even be more than what you get on the free version. It's always better in the pro version. Every one of them have their pro versions, and they are not too expensive. I have two YouTube automation channels that I run, and I use most of these AIs for these channels. So I'm bringing this to you guys as someone who has had experience with these AIs, and I'm telling you they are good if you want to earn money online through content creation. I'm telling you these AIs are good to work with. I'm sure you guys enjoyed this video, and if you got insight from this video, I would like you to subscribe to my channel, because I will be uploading more videos in regards to this. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like. You can also share this video, and see you on the next video.